This first small living area space, if you notice, and this is what your entire kitchen area space is going to look like. Where to our master bedroom area space. So first you have this whole walk-in area space. Now when we talk about the builder, you see Godrej Properties always brings absolute corporate transparency, legal safety and guaranteed on-time delivery to not just its Kukatpalli projects but all their projects. So here's presenting Godrej Brooklyn Avenue by Godrej Properties. The wait is finally over. Godrej Brooklyn Avenue is now here. It is Kukatpalli's very first Brooklyn-themed luxury development incorporating New York global design. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas. Today we'll be doing Godrej Brooklyn Avenue by Godrej Properties, which is located in the Phase 4 of KPHB Road, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. And as you can see that this is the exact location of the project. So your marketing office is present right over here and that side is going to be your land parcel. Now let me tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Now, unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. Now let's get to know about the project. You see, this project is going to be constructed on 7.8 acres of land parcel featuring 2 towers. Each tower will have 4 wings with 4 basement, ground and 45 floors, which includes your 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Now, coming over to the amenities part, you have a grand clubhouse that is going to be 75,000 square feet. On the roof, you will find your swimming pool area, and inside the clubhouse as well, you will find your games area. Then you have your multi-purpose court. Then you will also find your kids play area and a lot more. Now, why exactly should you invest in this project? Well, this is your absolute last chance to buy into a top tier 1 project in Hyderabad's most premium hub before the prices actually hike. And if you were planning to buy a house here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. That is, you definitely need to watch Housey's Right Home Buyers of series. Now, sometimes a lot of home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. Sometimes you pay a token amount to the builder and later if you decide to cancel, how much money can the builder legally deduct? And after possession, if there are construction related issues, sometimes you don't know what liabilities. And as a home buyer, it's very important to know what your legal rights are. We have explained all these important topics in a very simple and easy to understand manner. So before you buy a home, I strongly recommend that you watch this series 1. You will find the link of the series in the description below. Now, coming over to the location part, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project, which is Phase 4 Road, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Now, when we talk about the connectivity over here, you will see that the Forum Sujana Mall is only a few minutes away from here. Your Nexus Mall is also only a few minutes away. Even the Hi-Tech City area is just few minutes away from here. Now, when we talk about the connectivity part, just 5 minutes from here, you will find your Forum Sujana Mall, 10 minutes to the Hi-Tech City area and 5 minutes to the KPHB metro station. Hello everyone, now we'll be doing the sample flat tour for Godrej Brooklyn Avenue for 3 BHK and the configuration for that is going to be 1992 square feet onwards. Now, as you enter, you have this first small living area space, if you notice. This is now divided into this whole unit corner. So it starts all the way from this corner and ends up till that side of the area. Here as well, if you notice, the entire flooring that has been done inside the house is Italian marble flooring. And then you in the center, you will have your small dining area space as well. If you want, you can design it like that or change it as well. And right opposite to your dining area space, if you notice, again, it is divided into different corners for your bedroom and your washroom area space. Then you have this other living area space wherein if you want, you can add your extra couches, your TV. Again, this is also extremely very spacious. Now, right in front of this, you have your running balcony area, which is again a plus point about the house. And this also has been given proper wooden flooring inside the entire running balcony, and entire railing system with proper glassware also has been attached, which means you can add a lot of couches here, your flower pots, you have proper drainage system given here as well. And this easily connects you to your second bedroom of the house as well. Now just right opposite to this, you will find your kitchen area space, but before that you have a separate area divided where if you want you can add your wash basin easily connecting to your kitchen area space, and then you have this entry walk-in area space inside the house where if you want you can add your extra fridge, your oven, any other electrical appliances of the kitchen. And this is what your entire kitchen area space is going to look like. Very cozy, comfortable, so you can add your proper storage units. On this opposite corner you will find your proper window system, and then on this side you will also find your wash basin unit. Now of course this kitchen comes with your utility balcony area. If you notice, the utility balcony area also has proper wooden flooring. You can add your washing machine, you have open space for ventilation source. On this side you'll also find your wash basin system. Now entering into our first bedroom area space, just directly opposite again to your dining area. This is what your first bedroom area space is going to look like. If you notice, this is also again extremely very spacious. On that side of the corner you'll find a huge window system, and then right on the opposite corner you have your wardrobe system. If you want, in front of the door opposite you can add a small dressing table as well. Here as well you have proper lighting, and your AC switches also can be added in the room. Now in the center you will find your common washroom area space. Now this common washroom area space also again is extremely very spacious. It comes with proper tiling and flooring done inside. Here as well you'll find your proper shower system. You have your wash basin unit given, you have your toiletry unit and your exhaust fan on the opposite corner. Now just opposite to this you will find your second bedroom area space, and you have your first walk-in area space as soon as you enter inside the room, which ends up to this corner where you will find your proper study table. If you want you can add your bedding area space, your wardrobe system, and your mirror also can come right on the opposite corner. Now this was the running balcony that I was talking about, so it easily connects you to your room via your living area space as well. Now of course this room comes with your private attached washroom. So this is what your private attached washroom area space is going to look like. Again this is extremely spacious. You have proper wash basin system on this corner. You will find your shower system where glass partition can be added, your exhaust, and your toiletry also is divided. Now, before entering our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housey exactly does for you. As soon as you go to Housey's website, you will get all the information you need about the project. Like location, we give you actual location tours of the project. Not just that, but you'll also get the EMI, down payment, and the exclusive pricing details of the project as well. You'll find a 360 virtual tour of the project as well. If you want to come for a site visit, which is completely free, you can just click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can go to Housey's official website from where you can also easily download your e-brochure and the pricing sheets. Entering into our master bedroom area space, so first you have this whole walk-in area space, and if you notice, the entire room's flooring is proper wooden flooring that has been given. So you have this whole area space where your wardrobe can come. You can even extend your wardrobe or even extend your bedding area onto that corner as well. If you notice on that side, you will also find your proper window system, which is again extremely very spacious. You have proper lighting and ventilation source coming from that side. You can add your extra study table as well. And of course, your master bedroom comes with your proper attached washroom, where this also has proper tiling, flooring done. Extremely very spacious, proper shower system which can be again divided with glass partition. You have your proper wash basin, toiletry, and your exhaust fan unit as well. So everyone, that was all that you needed to know about Godrej Brooklyn Avenue. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.